Today, we're making a creamy white bean tomato skillet that's cozy, saucy, and easy enough for any night of the week. White beans, tomatoes, garlic, and a few simple ingredients come together to create a creamy skillet full of warm, comforting flavor. Start by cooking the garlic and tomatoes together until everything becomes soft, rich, and full of flavor. The white beans make this skillet feel hearty and comforting while keeping the meal simple and affordable. A splash of plant milk helps create a smooth, creamy sauce that brings everything together without feeling too heavy. Fresh spinach softens right into the sauce and adds a little color and balance to the skillet. Want more easy ideas like this? Visit the Yum Shop and join the email list for more cozy kitchen inspiration. Creamy, cozy, and simple enough to make whenever you want a satisfying bowl. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.